What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly give me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how Abuko looks currently in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start walking around here and show you guys how Abuko looks in the year 2025 in rainy season. But guys, currently I'm in Tabokoto. Here is called Tabokoto, and then I'm walking towards Abuko. Yeah. Guys, this is the main Tabokoto Junction, as you guys can see. Yep. And guys, the way the camera is facing, it leads to Coastal Road. Yep. And then I'm walking towards Abuko. Yeah, this is how it looks here in rainy season in the year 2025. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia. Guys, I'm still in Tabokoto, walking towards Abuko. Yeah. Guys, let me cross the road. Guys, I just want to cross the road to get to that other side of the road so that I can get a better view for you guys. Yeah. Guys, I'm crossing the road. Guys, this is how we do it here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go. And this is a petrol or a gas station. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boys getting for you here. Guys, hope the lightning is okay because I'm working against the sunlight, as you guys can see. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes help YouTube to push the video to larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe to road to 10,000 YouTube subscribers, and then we are almost there. Yeah, let's go guys, let's go. Guys, I'm getting into Abuko now. The place I'm at right now is called Abusi. As you guys can see, here it's called Abusi. And then I begin the video all the way from there, Tabokoto. I begin this video all the way from Tabokoto. Now I'm in Abusi, getting into Abuko. Yep. This is the smiling coast for you. This is stagnant water. Guys, finally I'm in Abuko now. Here is part of Abuko, and then I'm walking towards Abuko School Johnson. So I will end this video when I get to Abuko School Johnson. Yeah, maybe I can even walk a little bit past Abuko School Johnson and then close this video. Let me keep on showing you this neighborhood, this surrounding. Yeah. is the Gambia in 4K view. Yeah. Guys, this is the Gambia in 4K view. Yeah. So those people over there are offloading a container. Yeah. And finally, I'm at Abuko School Junction. Guys, here is called Abuko School Junction, and then this road leads to Abuko Upper and Senior Secondary School. Yeah. Guys, I will soon close this video. I just want to show you a little bit of Abuko before ending this video. Yeah. And then guys, on my left hand side, which is over there, is the Abuko market. Yeah, that's the Abuko market. And then finally guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. This is all what I have for you here in Abuko and some parts of Tabokoto, the Gambia, West Africa. See you on the next video. I'm out. Love you all. Bye. Peace.